Good morning, Tigers. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. It is time for our morning announcements. We'll start with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now pause for a moment of silence. Okay, we'll say our school pledge now. At all times, I will do my best to be respectful, responsible, produce quality work, follow all school rules, and help others achieve their goals for an excellent school year. Okay, we have some birthdays. On Friday, May 1st, we had 3 birthdays. My King Edwards in 3rd grade, Destiny Moy in 5th grade, and Brandon Rubio Perez in 2nd grade. Happy birthday to my King, Destiny, and Brandon. On Saturday, May 2nd, we had 2 birthdays, Kendrick Hawley in 2nd grade and Kimberly Sutton in 1st grade. Happy birthday to Kendrick and Kimberly. Yesterday, we had 1 birthday, Karina Chavez Sanchez, 3rd grade. I hope you had a great birthday, Karina. We do not have any birthdays today. I would like to announce our terrific Tigers from last week. These are the Tigers who participated, whether it was online or paper packet, and they showed a lot of grit and hard work and effort. All right, for 3rd grade, we have Lauren Whitfield, Haziel Martin in pre-K, Matthew Allen in kindergarten, Kariah Moore in 1st grade, Haley Bynum in 2nd grade, Heidi Bernal in 3rd grade, Shania Brown in 4th grade, and Allison Federico Villeda in 5th grade. Excellent job, terrific Tigers. I am very proud of you. Our announcements for today. Paper packet continues today. We will be on campus from 8 to 2 for this. We have changed packet pickup to the front entrance. So if you're coming to pick up paper packets, please just ring the front bell and we'll let you in and help you with your packet. Also, please remember that this week is Teacher and Staff Appreciation Week. Be thinking about how you can show your teacher how much you appreciate him or her, and also your teacher assistant if your class has an assistant. All right, the Positivity Project focus for this week is leadership. I want you to be thinking about some very strong leaders that you know of or that you see in your everyday life. If you have this character strength as one of your strongest ones, it means you value each member of your group or team and inspire people to do their best. Okay, guys, as you work either online or paper packet today, remember your tiger paws. Be prepared, be accepting and respectful, be willing to learn, and be safe. Have a marvelous Monday, Tigers. We miss you.